what shocks you is at those points in time, some of these companies were trading at what, 80, 90 billion dollars in terms of valuation. CCIV with Lucid, QuantumScape, and these guys have zero revenues, zero earnings, right? And so what happens now? Usually you correlate it to, for example, like the basura season in the Philippines, diba? So once these guys, like what we experienced in the Philippines, where you had most of these basuras go up 300, 400%, once it starts going to the right side of the chart, where it break down, we usually always tell people to start avoiding it, right? Because usually matagal. I mean, not everything. Everything that drops significantly will take extreme amounts of time, right? And usually panahon lang din yan eh. Same case with the basura season. It happens 2-3 months straight, and then after that, you don't see these guys for another 2-3 years, perhaps, diba? And then the speculation happens again.
Yeah, it's really a learning lesson especially if you follow the growth experts on Twitter, diba? Diba, yung mga convicted experts sa Twitter, talaga you see them, even if it's falling down, they're trying to be convince themselves that this will eventually. I guess it will. I guess it will, diba? But you'll see that price is not agreeing with them. Ang galing, actual lesson talaga.
Yeah.
Actual lesson.
You know, the funny part is we had a Gap&Go session, I think in Feb, where we were describing the psychology of people, right? And people were still saying the buy the dip mindset, where it's a chance to buy, an opportunity to buy. And you know, and usually these cases, that's where people get trapped. And then now you have this sell-off. Now you're starting to question, parang may problema yung company ko eh.
Yes. Yeah.